Lawyers, do you want more clients? Just fail more. Hi, my name is Chase Musser. I'm a marketing manager at Social Firestarter, and I want to talk to you about failure. Uh, it's something that holds so many of us back. But really, when you frame it the right way, when you're willing to fail and you're willing to fail quickly, you can just reach success that much faster. It's not a big deal when you fail. In fact, most of marketing will be failure, right? So we talk about all the time how many people are ready to hire you when they first meet you or they first interact with you online. Maybe 1%. So 99% of the time, it won't happen. And there's a saying in marketing, most people won't. And that's okay. So the key is just to try as many things as possible. Throw stuff against the wall, see what sticks. If something sticks, then you found something. If not, you move on to the next thing. But don't sit around and feel bad about your failures. It's okay. We all fail. Andy and I, we try so many different things, and a lot of them do fail. We've had different funnels we worked that just never got any sales. They never got the success that we wanted. So we just keep trying. And Andy comes up with ideas all the time. And we're just coming up with new angles based on different things and based on the feedback we get from you, a lot of different lawyers that we work with and who interact with us. So don't be afraid to fail. So here's what you do. Just if you've got an idea about a video, if you've got an idea about a marketing angle, just try it. The worst that can happen is it's going to fail. So you spend maybe $10, $20 on Facebook ads, running an ad that doesn't work. That's okay. You can dust yourself off, pick yourself up, and start again. So I want to let you know that it's okay to fail. I'm giving you permission to fail. Now go out there and fail quickly. So if failure is not your problem, if you're okay with that and you just try all kinds of different things, but you haven't found uh, the exact marketing system that's going to work to bring in clients consistently, then go to lawyercheatsheet.com, get the exact cheat sheet that shows you how to get clients consistently over and over and over again. It's the only marketing system you'll need for the rest of your career. Now, you may need different angles, but it's the only strategy. So I hope this helps and have a great day.